Hello and welcome to SureShade University, where today we're going to be talking about RF failures and the different types. So what we've got is the RF module inside the control box controls your remote control, or it speaks to your remote control. And in some cases, under certain situations, if the RF module fails, the complaint in pre-4.2 software is that when it fails, the unit's stuck out. My customer turned his batteries on, the shade took off on its own, now we can't get it retracted. My remote control was working yesterday, now it's not, but it still works with the rocker switch. All of those scenarios are possible RF failures, so when you diagnose them, what you should look for first is whether your remote, for whatever reason, is unpaired from your control box. Normally what you would do is you want to push, make sure that your light on your key fob is bright blue and not flickering. And also make sure that one's probably not working now, but make sure that your light in your control box, when this is solid blue, that this is red, okay? If that's not changing, then I would try pairing the remote first. If that does not work, then give us a call, because what's going to have to happen is myself or Joe are going to walk you through a couple of steps to determine RF failure. Please don't cut or open the seals. What we're going to do is we're going to ask you to go ahead, check a couple of items, and then if anything, cut the seal, flip the lid back. There's a couple different ways it can fail. In this case here, when the box is powered up, if you look, you've got your learn button down here, and right next to it is a little green LED. So when you push this, you see how nothing's coming on, the green light right here, the LED is not coming on, okay? That is one way the RF module fails. Another way is when you open the lid, your LED for the learn button's already on. When you push it, it doesn't go out. It shouldn't be on to begin with. The last failure that I don't have in front of me as an example is you open up the control box lid and the LED for the learn button's not on, but when you push the button, it lights up, but when you let go, it goes back out. All three of those are all RF failures, and we're going to need to get you a new controller and swap the controllers out. Please make sure that when you send the controller back, include the remote control with it. And that's it. That's pretty much the three different failures for the RF module, all requiring controller swaps. Okay? If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call back. Otherwise, have a good day. Thank you.